is my first plane ride. Look, it's Stephanie. We're like about to take off. Look, it's Dolores. That's our awesome TV.
Oh, turn it around and let's see. We're turning.
Look, we're turning. We're turning right now. We're turning right now.
That's the airport. Back there.
That's the airport.
Back there.
Back there.
Cars are flashing on the roof.
A car
I like
flashing.
it. But the lights are flashing.
Whatever, the car's flashing, okay? Stephanie's getting stoked because we're about to lift off.
Really, we gotta get to the runway first.
Well, I have a 51-minute long.
51 minutes?
So we can take an hour-long video. It's my pillow, see? Told you, I bring it everywhere. It's Stephanie's hand. There's Stephanie's goods.
This is Stephanie being awkward.
Whoa, whoa, it's like a fish under sea. It's like
The turtle.
The
Awkward
turtle.
turtle.
Oh,
What?
a
Awkward
turtle.
Awkward turtle. Awkward turtle.
Look at all the people. It's like they're sleeping.
Be
20.
funny.
I can't see it.
You don't see it?
No,
The
I can't
camera
even
sees
zoom.
it. Maybe. I saw it.
We're heading.
The jacket is always in the way.
Your jacket, that's always in the way. That's Stephanie just gets that out. Hey.
You think it's my first time on a plane?
Jordan and Kayla are somewhere back there. I don't know where, but you know, it's cool. Nah, 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 nah. Warm it up. The boys are waiting. My milkshake brings all the life behind. I think we're almost at the runway. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Tell me when. When are we going to lift off? When?
Soon. Look, helicopter. Stay. Try to stay.
Can't see it. It's too dark.
Well, your camera's obviously not very smart.
No, your camera's not very smart. My arm is itchy.
Shall I scratch it for you?
No, I have like mosquito bites on my arm.
Oh.
It's very nice. See?
Very nice.
Mosquito bites.
You should take a camera of the mosquito bites.
Mosquito bites.
Mosquito bites.
Now they're itchy again.
That's the runway, I think.
That's the runway. Look at it.
Look at the runway.
Lights.
The runway. Okay, we're so gonna take off like right now.
Are you
So, yeah.
really?
No.
Aw,
We're gonna
yeah.
have to go back there.
What?
You're supposed to have that on.
Why? What will happen?
They explode.
Maybe I should turn you off now, Cabra.
Are you supposed to? Accelerate? I don't know.
They wanted you to turn off all your laptops
Okay.
and all your
Camera.
telephones and stuff. I don't know if the camera makes it.
She's so enthusiastic.